Writing on the internet for money is amazing, but the sad part is most of the publications that pay you for writing only commission works that are non-fiction or personal stories. People who love to write fiction often find it hard to find places where they can submit their work so that they can earn money. And most writers think that the only way to earn money by writing fiction is by writing your book and selling it. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about an incredible fiction challenge that's currently open where 25 winners will get a grand prize of $5,000 each. Yes, you heard that right. 25 winners will get a grand prize of 5,000 US dollars each, which is about INR 3.5 lakhs for just one single story that you write. If you think this is interesting, make sure you watch this till the end and make sure you share this video with all your writer friends so all of you can participate in this together. The challenge I'm talking about is the Vocal Plus Fiction Awards. Vocal Media is another website like Medium that pays you based on the views that you get. I have made a video about how you can use Vocal Media. You can watch it right here. It's linked right here. So this contest, this challenge for fiction on Vocal is different from the usual work that you submit there. So instead of writing on any topic you want, you have to write a fictional account or a fictional story. The word count ranges from 600 to 4,000 words. And the topic, style and genre can be anything of your choosing. That's right, there are no rules. You are completely free to write about whatever topic or genre or in whatever writing style you want. And the winners will receive an incredible grand prize of 5,000 US dollars for 25 people. Aside from that, 1,000 runners-up will be selected and these 1,000 people will get a free membership of Vocal Media for 1 year, which is valued at $100. But the best part is the 25 winners who get selected, their stories also will be published on Vocal's first ever anthology, which is getting published in spring 2022. So if you are a writer who loves writing fiction and plan on launching your own book soon, this can be an incredible opportunity to get your name out there in front of the world. And if you can win this challenge, or if you can be among the 25 winners of this challenge, you would get so much of fame and your work would get so much of eyeballs. And this would be some great traction for you right before your first book is released. So if you are someone who loves writing fiction, do not miss out on this challenge. The only requirement for this challenge is that to take part, you will need to be a Vocal Plus member. So Vocal Media has a membership where every writer has to pay 9.99 US dollars per month to be a member. And once you pay that membership fee, you can participate in this challenge as well as all the other challenges that Vocal has. So Vocal Media has currently, they have a system where they organize 4 challenges every month. So that's like 1 challenge every week. And each challenge has amazing grand prizes that start from $2,500 and can go up to $10,000 each. So if you take the membership just for 1 month, you can take part in up to 4 challenges and your chances of winning keep on increasing the more number of times you participate, right? So some tips before participating in this challenge. First of all, go to Vocal Media, read the kind of stories that are published there. Aside from that, go to the page vocal.media/challenges where you can see the previous challenges which are now closed. Then you can read through the winners of these previous challenges so you have some idea about how stories are judged and what you need to do to make sure your story makes the cut. Other than that, it's all up to you. You can write about whatever you want. And if you have had a story idea in your head since forever, but you've never had a chance to write that story down, this could be the perfect opportunity not only to put your words on paper, but also to enter into this incredible fiction challenge and have a chance at winning INR 3.5 lakhs in just one go. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please leave a comment to let me know if you loved it, and don't forget to join Vocal Media from the link in this description so you can take part in this amazing fiction challenge. Aside from that, if you love my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out some other videos that I have made, because my content mostly is centered around how you can design the life of your dreams by writing about exactly what you want. Well, the work that I do on YouTube is completely for free for everyone to watch, because I want to help as many new writers as possible. But if you want to support my work, you can always buy me a book. The link to buy me a book is also in the description of this video. I would be very grateful to whoever chooses to support my work. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share it on Twitter, share it on Instagram, and share it on WhatsApp with all your writer friends so all of them can submit in it together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon with another incredible video. Until then, keep writing and stay awesome. Cheers!